Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to do direct linking with Bing Ads without having to create a landing page. A lot of people have been asking this question, so I'm going to answer this question and teach you step by step how to do this. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then you should see this red subscribe button anywhere on this page below the video. Just smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. My training and my channel is all about making money online, working from home, Clickbank, affiliate marketing, traffic generation. So if you're interested in learning any of these topics, then please smash the red subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And don't forget to add this video to your favorites and share this video with your followers. They're going to love it. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Now, this video is not about creating an ad because I have already created a video 2 weeks ago all about Bing ads and how to create a professional ad. After you finish watching this video, feel free to watch that video and it will teach you step by step how to create a powerful Bing ad. In this video, we're just going to talk about direct linking and how to direct link to your Clickbank affiliate link. So let's dive into this video. So right now I'm on my Microsoft ads. You could call it Bing ads, you could call it Microsoft ads. Okay, and I'm promoting an offer. I've got an offer down here which is related to make money online affiliate marketing, and it's called perpetual income. So you're going to see an ad just like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to track and how to do direct linking. So this is the final URL, and in this URL normally people would put something like the Clickbank affiliate link. Wrong. Never ever do that. If you put your Clickbank hop link into this final URL, guess what? They're going to disapprove your ad, and in return they will also disable your account. So you don't want to put that. What you want to do, you want to put the final URL. And how do you get the final URL? The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Clickbank affiliate link, click on the Clickbank website, and then you want to go to the browser. And when you go to the browser, you're going to see a URL right in the top browser, just like this. You don't have to copy everything. You just need to get the main URL. So you could just get everything till online. So in this case, I'm getting the whole URL, perpetual income 365.online. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to come to my Microsoft ads and I'm going to put it straight into the final URL. And always remember, you want to get the final URL from the browser. Do not get the final URL by clicking the contextual link, okay? Because if you do that, it might be a mismatch between the browser URL and the link, and in this case your ad will get disapproved. Okay, so always go to the website first, and whatever URL appears down here, get the main URL, which is going to be this one, and just copy it and paste it into the final URL. Okay, now if you're going to promote a Clickbank link or any other affiliate network, the question will be, wait, you just put the browser URL into the final URL. This is not going to get me sales. This is not going to track my clicks or sales because this is not a Clickbank hop link. Good question. Now let's talk about the Clickbank hop link, how to get your Clickbank affiliate link and how to add it as a tracking link so you could do direct linking. So first of all, I'm on a website called cbengine.com. Okay, you feel free to use Clickbank if you want to. I sometimes use CB Engine. I love CB Engine. It gives me the graph, it gives me the trends, it gives me the refund rate, the percentage rate, everything. So with perpetual income 365, I'm going to get my Clickbank affiliate link. So I'm going to come here, Clickbank affiliate link. I'm going to get my link from here. All right, and I'm going to create a hop link. This is my hop link here. Okay, so I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to go to a tracking tool called ClickMagick. Okay, now you could use any other tracking tool, but I have experience with ClickMagick. That's why, and I use ClickMagick myself. That's why I'm teaching ClickMagick. So if you want to use ClickMagick, it does come with a free 14-day trial. Feel free to join ClickMagick using my link in the description box below this video. Okay, once you have joined ClickMagick, you're going to see the dashboard just like this. You're going to click on links. You're going to click on create a new link, and then you're going to paste your link here. Okay, Clickbank link. You're going to come here and you're going to click affiliate click ID parameter. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on this, and there you go. Now it's giving me affiliate sub 2 ID, but that will not work with Clickbank. So what you want to do, you want to replace that and put TID. Okay, and I'm going to come here, I'm going to put perpetual income. All right, and I'm down here, I'm just going to put PP income 751. Okay, create link. And there you go. Okay, I got my link here. I'm just going to come here. I'm going to click on this, all right, and I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come to Microsoft Ads and I'm going to scroll down straight to the bottom and I'm going to click on add URL options, and it's going to say here, can you see this tracking template? I'm going to replace that with my ClickMagick ID. Now remember one thing, in this case you're going to track the clicks and you're going to be tracking the clicks and you're doing direct linking, but you're not tracking the sale. If you want to track your sales, your conversions, your signups, your registrations using ClickMagick, then you will have to integrate ClickMagick with Clickbank, and it's a very easy process. I will be coming up with a new video on that, so make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you how to add your ClickMagick code into the Clickbank setting, so ClickMagick is talking to Clickbank, and whenever you generate a Clickbank sale, it will tell you everything in ClickMagick dashboard, where the sale came from, how it came, and what happened, and what was the conversion, what was the sale, and how much money you have made. Are you in profit? Are you losing money, etc. Okay, so you have to do that settings before getting this tracking link if you want to track the sales. But if you don't want to track the sales and you just want to track the clicks and do direct linking, this is the process that I just showed you. Just follow that steps and you will able to get the clicks, track the clicks, okay, whether it's repeated clicks, whether it's brand new clicks, unique clicks, tier 1 clicks, tier 2 clicks, tier 3 clicks, and you will able to do direct linking. But if you want to track the sales, then make sure you have added and integrated ClickMagick with Clickbank. You could also use their tutorial help. If you go to help, they have so many tutorial videos explaining exactly how to add the ClickMagick ID and code into the Clickbank settings section, so your ClickMagick account is talking with Clickbank. Okay, so in this case what I have done is I have added the tracking template, the tracking link into this, and in this case what's going to happen is that when traffic starts coming, it's going to come straight directly to this link here, and in that case I am doing direct linking. Okay, now what I could do is I can add extra parameters to this. So what I could do is I could put keywords. All right, just go back and do keyword. All right, it's quite hard talking and writing at the same time, right? Keyword, then I could put something like add ID, all right, and then I could put add group, all right, and there you go. Just get that. Okay, so extra parameters. Now in this case what's going to happen is it's going to tell me exactly where that sale came from, which keyword triggered that sale, which ID triggered that sale, and which ad group triggered that sale. Okay, and this is how you do direct linking. So your final URL is going to be the website address that you see inside the browser, so you're going to copy it from here, and then your Clickbank tracking link is going to be straight into here. Okay, so this is it, and this is how you do it. Okay, so this is how you do it, and then you could test the URL. So if you come down and you click on test, and it's going to give you the testing results. Okay, so final URL mismatch. If you could see this, it's the final URL mismatch. You could see landing page found, you could see tracking call successful, final URL mismatch. And why is the final URL mismatch? It's because of this, because I didn't add this VSL2. So if I add this VSL2, okay, it will work out. So let me just go back and let me just add that VSL2 into the final URL, and then it will work. Okay, so let's come back here and let's do another test. Okay, final URL mismatch again. Okay, so it's telling me that the final URL is mismatching, and it's probably because of this hop. Okay, but don't worry about that. If the final URL is mismatched, it's not a big deal. As long as the landing page is found, it's okay. Okay, and the tracking call, even if the tracking call says unsuccessful, it's not a big deal. Okay, so don't worry about all of this. The whole purpose is supposed to be this one, landing page found. Okay, now sometimes it will say landing page not found, even though everything is you're doing correctly. So what you need to do is, in that case, you just need to go to settings. Okay, now before I teach you about the setting, let me show you another thing what you could do here. Okay, now a lot of people might be asking, do you have to use ClickMagick or a tracking tool? let me say one thing here. Always track, okay? If you don't track, how are you scaling your business? You need to track your sales, your clicks, your conversions, your signups, okay? But for some reason, just say you don't want to track, okay? You just want to create a campaign, do direct linking. So do you have to use a tracking link, and can you track without ClickMagick? The answer is yes, you could. What you could do here is you could just come here, get your affiliate link from Clickbank, and just replace all of this, okay? Come here and then come here, put TID, okay, and then put anything you want. Now the problem with this is that if you're going to track doing direct ClickBank link, then you can't track everything. You can't track where the which keyword is triggering it, which network is triggering it, which ad is triggering it, which ID is triggering it. You could only do one thing. You could either put Bing, so you know that the sale came from Bing, or you could put something like keyword, so you know which keyword bought it. So, and in that case as well, it's not going to be accurate. So it's going to be a big problem, and you are able to know exactly which keyword, which ad, which ID, and which ad group has bought this sale. So if you do direct linking in this way, you will only be happy to see the sale, but you don't know which ad bought the sale. And the whole purpose of this campaign is to scale your business and take your business to the next level, you know, because you want to stick to the winners and wave out the losers, okay? So if you're not tracking, you can't do that. So that's why I recommend ClickMagick. But like I said, whenever you set up ClickMagick, make sure you have integrated ClickMagick with ClickBank, so it's tracking both together. Now, if in any case, if it shows after you've done everything and it shows that the URL is not found, so you came here to perpetual income, okay, you came here to perpetual income, and then when you came here and you came to the testing part and it's saying the final URL mismatch, then there are a couple of things that you can do, okay? So what you can do is, first of all, you could either go to the help section and live chat with them and tell them that everything is working fine and still is showing a mismatch. What they will do is they will look into it and they will manually approve you, okay? That's one thing. Second thing is, when it comes to testing, always the most important part of all of this is, okay, tracking. Look at this, what it says: tracking call unsuccessful, okay? Tracking, the whole purpose is, don't worry about the tracking call unsuccessful. This is the main part: landing page found, okay? This is the most important part, okay? So if I just come back here, all right, if I just get rid of all of this and then I do a testing, and if I go back up, all right, and I click on test, and it's going to do the same thing: tracking call unsuccessful, not a big deal. Final URL mismatch, not a big deal. Tracking call unsuccessful, not a big deal. Its whole purpose is landing page found and your affiliate link, okay? But in this case, tracking call is not a big deal. The final URL mismatch, if it's a mismatch, what's going to happen is basically they're going to disapprove your ad. Okay, so it's not a big deal in a way that for you that you're doing everything right, but the Bing ad is for some reason telling you it's mismatched. But it's a big deal for the Bing network, because the Bing network is saying if it's a mismatch, we're not going to approve your ad. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to the help section and create a live chat and tell them, hey, I'm doing everything correctly. It's a match. My final URL and my tracking template is a match. And for some reason, your network is saying it's a mismatch. They will look into it and manually approve you, okay? Sometime what will happen is you do everything and landing page not found. What you could do in that case is just go to settings, okay? And then when you come to when you go to campaigns, all right, if you go to overview, let me just go to overview here, and let me go to all campaigns, okay, and then go to settings, okay, go to account settings, all right, and if you scroll down, you could see here that you need to have this clicked, okay? So we're going to click this and make sure this is turned on. If it's turned off, it won't able to track, so you need to turn that on, okay? And then once that's done, what you want to do is you want to go back to campaigns, okay? And I'm just going to quickly show you which one was it. All right, I guess it was this one. Okay, add extension. Oh, it's not this one. Okay, so however, you just need to make sure that you go into campaigns, you go into account setting and turn on that. Because if you don't turn on that, then the Bing ad network is not going to track and they can't verify what's going on, what's not going. After doing all that, if it still shows a mismatch, then just go to help section and tell them that this is a problem. After you verify that everything is absolutely great and okay and it's a match, and for some reason their network is just saying it's a mismatch, okay? But the main part is landing page found. That's the main part for you. But for Bing, the main part is two things: landing page found and final URL matched. Because if it's a mismatch, even if on your end everything is good, but Bing ad is going to say it's a mismatch, so that means their network, their bot, is automatically going to disapprove your ad. So in that case, you might have to first go to the settings, turn on the tracking, and if it still doesn't work, then just go to help and tell them to look into it, and they will manually approve you. Now, it's not going to happen immediately, okay? It will be a bit of time. You'll have to wait. They will look into it manually, see everything is okay, and if everything is okay, they will manually approve it. Okay, that's all for now. The question, and then last final question is that, can this work with any affiliate network? And the answer is yes. It doesn't just have to be with Clickbank. You could do it with anything else. Now, if you want to learn more ways to make money online and you want to learn more tools, then here's the steps you need to take. Step number 1, smash the red subscribe button. Step number 2, give me a thumbs up. Step number 3, leave a comment. Step number 4, share my video. Step number 5, you're going to see a description just like this. Click on show more and it's going to open up the description, and you're going to find all the tools and resources to help you build a successful $1,000 day, $2,000 day, $10,000 per month, $20,000 per month, and even $50,000 per month business online. Just click on those links, get started today, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will be answering all your questions. And if you want to learn how to create ads, feel free to watch my other video that I just uploaded 2 weeks ago, all about Bing ads, $1,000 paydays. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.